It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a good day, honey. It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a good day, honey.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akansha Matthews, and if you are an existing subscriber, I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you so much for watching my videos and liking them. If you're somebody new who has come across my channel, well, I hope you like it here, and I hope you like my videos, and please do like, share and subscribe if you do. And for today's video guys, I'm not doing a cooking video. I'm also not doing a haul video here. As you know that I've not been working, so I don't want to spend my money. That's logical, right? Now, but I have something interesting. If that is something that you're interested in, then keep watching. I am doing my perfume collection, or my body mist collection. I'm going to show you today, and let's get on with it. So I'm going to show you my body mist first, and also I'll start with the, well, there is no particular order as to how I'm going to show, but I'll try to show it as like from the I would say more economic ones to the more sort of on the higher end, at least for me. All right, so first here we have this is from the Body Cupid. This is their strawberry bliss body mist here. Now I'm not too sure if you guys are aware or not that now this Body Cupid is a brand, and if you go on their Instagram page, आपको दिखेगा कि they have all these offers combined wherein you know, you guys can, sorry, excuse me, you guys can buy so many things like 8 or 9 products in just rupees 999 or 1200. You can buy 11-13 products like that. So I order like for day-to-day use, for office and everything, for a regular daily basis. I order such things from there. So I don't know how much each one of these must have cost, and it's been a while. But yeah, this is a strawberry fragrant body mist. Smell, it's very fruity. I think when it settled down, it does smell like strawberry. Their hand cream does smell like strawberry, and it is from their strawberry body care regime, I believe. So for not regime, collection, yeah. So this is that. Now the second one from the same brand, I have Plum Paradise body mist. इसका भी एग्जैक्ट प्राइस मुझे पता नहीं है क्योंकि मैंने कॉम्बो ऑफ बंडल में लिए थे. Wait, hang on. Yeah, it smells a little less fruity than the strawberry one. It's more subtle, but again I have used their hand cream as well, and it's very nice. So if you're looking and if you're a college going person, and if you're looking to buy a lot of different products under a budget, मेरा सजेशन रहेगा कि आप लोग बॉडी क्यूपिड की इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे जाएं और उनको चेकआउट करें. दे हैव ग्रेट ऑफर्स, दे हैव ग्रेट फ्रेगरेंसेज, ग्रेट बॉडी क्रीम्स which are very moisturizing, and you will not regret buying from them. Now moving on, let's see what we have. Hang on a second, I'm gonna have to see. Yeah, here it is. Okay, this is, I would say, not premium. It is, I would still say it's a drugstore body mist, I mean, not that drugstore as the Body Cupid one though, but a little bit higher than what you can say. Now ये है Bath and Body Works के products यहाँ पर. I really love Bath and Body Works के products. उनके body mists are amazing. अगर आप लगाओगे you will smell heavenly and you will not regret buying. Now I understand वो थोड़ा सा higher range पे होता है, but what you can do जब उनकी sales वगैरह लगती हैं तो आप you can keep a check and तभी आप ले सकते हो. Sometimes I do that, sometimes I don't do that. So this is a body mist and they have different sizes also. This is good to carry in your bag and everything, in your office bag or your college bag if you want. And then they have big bottles also. ये उनका रोज का बॉडी मिस्ट है 75 ml and well I'll try to see what price is quoted here. इधर लिखा है 1099 इसका MRP है, बट आई एम प्रिटी श्योर मैंने इसको इस अमाउंट में नहीं लिया होगा. आई यूजुअली बाय इट व्हेन दीज आर ऑन सेल, सो आप चेक कर सकते हो. और ये काफ़ी इकोनॉमिक पड़ता है, तो काफ़ी अच्छे डिस्काउंट्स आपको मिल जाते हैं अगर आप सेल पे जाके चेक करोगे तो. 75 ml का है एंड this really does smell like rose and it is amazing. From the same I'm so sorry, I still have this thing with my throat is not good, so I'll just hang on a second, please excuse me. I'll have a sip of water because if I talk too much ना तो मेरे को खांसी आने लग जाती है. It strains my गला, as you know. I was not keeping well from a few weeks now. I've been better now by God's grace, but अभी वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा उसको मैं stress करती हूँ, it becomes that way. Now second product I have here is from the same brand, Bath and Body Works का, sorry. This is उनका Dark Kiss mist है, body mist. और इसका जो fragrance है it doesn't say, I mean अगर आपने उनका Dark Kiss इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी गुड. मेरे पास इसका बड़ा वाला बॉडी क्रीम था. आई रियली लाइक दैट उसका फ्रैगनेंस, दैट वन. एंड दे ऑल्सो हैव लाइक कलेक्शंस, लाइक डार्क किस का पूरा एक कलेक्शन होगा जिसमें शावर जेल, यू विल हैव बॉडी स्क्रब्स, बॉडी क्रीम, मॉइस्चराइजर्स, सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ, एंड ऑफ कोर्स बॉडी मिस्ट्स. सो ये उनका डार्क किस का है कलेक्शन. इसकी स्मेल भी बहुत अच्छी है. It's very nice, very you know, but ये जो है ना, this is a fragrance which you would prefer wearing towards the evenings or the night if you're going you know, it's a very dark seductive sort of a fragrance. It is not as light as the previous rose one that I showed you, but it is very good. You should try it. और मैंने इनका एक 1000 wishes करके आता है, वो भी यूज़ कर रखा है. that is also really good. एंड इनकी जितनी भी फ्रैग्रेंसेज आती हैं उसका पूरा कलेक्शन आता है. तो इफ़ यू लाइक द फ्रैग्रेंस यू कैन बाय द बॉडी क्रीम्स एंड दे ऑल्सो कम mini sizes maybe, so you can like carry as every day, and they come in big bottles as well. Now I also have their big body mists here. So this is the OG Gingham Love by Body by sorry, this is the Gingham Love by Bath and Body Works. हाँ जी, तो ये उनका गिंगम जो ओरिजिनल आता था, आई मीन इफ़ यू आर समबडी जो बाथ एंड बॉडी वर्क्स बहुत यूज़ करते हैं वो जानते हैं कि वो आता था जी ब्लू कलर में, और ऐसे ही उसका पैटर्न होता था, बस ब्लू में होता था, ब्लू एंड वाइट. तो नाउ दे हैव गिंगम इन गोल्डन, इन पिंक, इन ग्रीन, इन आई बिलीव इन येलो ऑल्सो. It's a very tropical fragrance, and of course this is in red. So I really like this. It smells very good, very fruity, very outgoing, and very me. So मेरे को ज़्यादा fruity fragrances ज़्यादा पसंद होती हैं ना, overpowering fruity नहीं होती हैं, but sort of in the notes seductive that I can also be I wear it towards the evening. तो वैसे अच्छी होती है. It is very different from Dark Kiss. इसमें लिखा नहीं है कि इसमें क्या क्या है. Actually, hang on, इस पे notes लिखे हैं. So this has sugarette red berries, blushing freesia, rose meringue, and it says this is a playful romantic fragrance which is sweet, warm, and blushing with happiness. It's all like love at first sight. Well, why not? It indeed is. You will smell heavenly, and I don't know if you can see it here or not. ये बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट अभी ये इतना है तो मैं इतना ज़्यादा यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ. आई डोंट कैरी इट इन माई बैग फॉर एवरी डे ऑफ कोर्स, बट आई डू अप्लाई इट व्हेन आई गो आउट ऑफ कोर्स. बट ये मैं इसको कैरी नहीं कर सकती, द बॉटल इज़ टू बिग एज यू नो. नाउ this is one of my favorite fragrances from Bath and Body Works, and जितनी भी मेरा फ्रेंड सर्कल है, जितनों से भी मैंने बात करी है, उनका भी फेवरेट फ्रैग्रेंस रहा है. दिस इज़ बाथ एंड बॉडी वर्क्स का शैम्पेन टोस्ट. नाउ ऑफ कोर्स इट स्मेल्स वेरी शैम्पेनी, वेरी फ्रूटी. इसका कलर बहुत प्यारा है बॉटल का. ओवरऑल इट्स लाइक रोज़ शैम्पेन पिंक. आई मीन अगर आपने पिंक शैम्पेन कभी ट्राई करा है या रोज़ वाइन इफ़ यू हैव हैड, तो इसका कलर उससे बहुत सिमिलर है. थोड़ा जस्ट टिंट और टू लाइट, बट इट्स मोर और लेस सिमिलर. देन इट हैज़ दिस गोल्ड स्प्रे हेयर एंड इज वाइट से लिखा है एंड गोल्ड से इसका लेबलिंग हो रखा है. तो इट्स वेरी इट लुक्स वेरी नाइस एंड बूजी ऑल्सो. नाउ अगेन इसका भी पूरा कलेक्शन आता है. मैंने इसका छोटा वाला मिनी साइज भी यूज़ कर रखा है एंड आई फिनिश्ड इट ऑलरेडी. नाउ this let me see if it says here what are the notes of this one. It doesn't say what are the notes here, so I'm sorry guys, you can check online. But yeah, ये बहुत ही शैम्पेन, बहुत फ्रूटी, बहुत बेरी जैसा लगता है, but at the same time it's not at all overpowering. Again, I personally like it. I wear it in the day and the night, so I use it as both, and that is what the line of fragrances that I like. And moving on, the next one we have here is You're the One from Bath and Body Works. Again, ये मैंने कभी पहले यूज़ नहीं करा ये वाला फ्रैग्रेंस इनका बॉडी मिस्ट. इट्स वेरी हैंग ऑन वेरी आई कांट पुट अ फिंगर ऑन इट. लेट मी सी इफ इट सेज हियर कि कैसा है. नो, इट डजंट से. हैंग ऑन. नप, इट डजंट से. बट इट्स वेरी हल्का सा रोज या जैस्मिन मिक्स, sandalwood maybe. It's not fruity, it's very flowery sorts, but it's very good. Again, I might want to wear this towards the night more than towards the daytime. So yeah, again I bought these bottles on sale, so jab sale lagta hai to I buy these in bulks. So moving on, now I'll quickly show you my mini perfumes that I have, that I put in my bag. I don't have many, so I'll just show whatever I have here. First of all, I have this one here. This you can't see, of course. This is the Bella Vita Honey Oud. I really like the fragrance, as the name tells. It's very sweet and sort of oody, I would say, if that is a word. Very oud-like. I think that's a better choice of word. Yeah. So it's that, and ये मैंने कहा इतना तो use कर ही लिया, so I'm not going out that much, so I'm not using. But when I am in office or everything, I do reapply this. और मेरे पास इसका बड़ा बॉटल भी था, which मेरे पास 2-3 बड़े बॉटल थे हनी ऊद के, which I finished by the way. My boyfriend uses Bella Vita का white oud, which a lot of people use, and one of my friend uses Bella Vita का date. So that is also a good fragrance. I have smelled date also. I haven't had a chance to buy date myself, but this is my personal favorite out of all the fragrances. That is, एक तो इसका बॉटल यार बहुत बढ़िया है. देखो, I mean it looks like ये गोल्ड एलिक्सर जैसा कुछ लगता है, और ये बहुत ही रॉयल सा लगता है. सो आई रियली लाइक द बॉटल एज वेल. इसमें येलो लिक्विड है, ग्लास बॉटल भी येलो है. आई मीन लिक्विड क्या ही येलो होगा, आई डोंट थिंक द लिक्विड इज येलो. आई प्रिज्यूम कि ये जो ट्रांसपेरेंट ही होगा लिक्विड परफ्यूम, बट द बॉटल इज स्लाइटली गोल्डन येलोइश कलर में, उसके ऊपर गोल्ड का ही लगा है. काफ़ी मेरे को बूजी सा लगता है, और स्मेल तो ये अमेजिंग करता है. सो यू कैन बाय दिस एज वेल. एंड अनदर ट्रैवल परफ्यूम आई हैव हियर. दिस इज़ द प्लम का है ये. बॉडी लव वनीला वाइब्स का मिनी परफ्यूम. सो इट डज स्मेल लाइक वेरी वनीला लाइक. एज यू नो, प्लम की फ्रेगरेंसेस बहुत अच्छी होती हैं. So this is that. I keep it in my purse. I had one more mini perfume. वो नायका का था. I think I finished it, so I don't have it here with me. नायका का mini perfume था. But again, this is also really good. I haven't gotten a chance to use this much, क्योंकि ये मेरा बैग में पड़ा रहता है, उसमें जो I don't know, the small sling bag of mine, because it's really easy to carry. Then the Bella Vita one, because उसका बॉटल थोड़ा सा हैवी. दिस इज आई थिंक मेक्स मच मोर सेंस. और जो नायका वाला था वो तो और भी इट यूज टू बी वेरी स्लिम. So yeah, now let's see. Now coming to the perfumes, I'll put my, oh, there is one more this thing here that I forgot. There's another body mist that I forgot to show you guys. I haven't opened. Hang on a second. Okay. Oh, I'm so sorry. This is another body mist here. This is from again Body Cupid. This is their Apple Blossom. Now again a very very fruity fragrance for summers. This is very good. And again इनका भी पूरा bundle. It smells like, it does smell like apple, guys. So it is very variable when you are on a beach vacation or you're just on vacation, yeah, on summers. And again I bought these when the sale was on, and you can buy bundles any which ways regularly. Now moving on to the perfumes quickly, but before that I'll just have a quick sip of water. My throat is like, oh. Okay, you guys, so I'll start with the perfumes. No particular order, but of course I'll show the high-end ones towards the end. I don't have much high-ends though, but yeah, I'll start with this. Then this is Vanessa का बेब परफ्यूम है. इनका डीओ भी बहुत अच्छा है. आई रियली लाइक द स्मेल ऑफ दिस. काफ़ी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग डीओ था वनेसा का. या इट स्मेल्स रियली रियली गुड. सो आई एक्चुअली यूज देयर डीओ पहले, तो आई क्वाइट लाइक इट. एंड मैंने बहुत बारी परचेज कर रखे हैं वनेसा के डीओ. बहुत ही अच्छे होते हैं. बाय द वे गाइज, डीओ तो ना स्टार स्ट्रक बाय सनी लियोनी एक का ब्रांड है, स्टार स्ट्रक. उसके भी बहुत टॉप नॉच डिओड्रेंट्स होते हैं. और स्किन बाय टाइटन के तो खैर भी ऑल नो के होते ही हैं. सो एनी भाई, इसका बॉटल, कमिंग बैक टू द वेनेसा वन, दिस इज बेब बाय वेनेसा. इसका बॉटल कितना स्लीक है गाइस. ऐसा लग रहा है आप यूर सॉर्ट ऑफ यूजिंग अ फोन और समथिंग. बट आई क्वाइट लाइक इट. अगेन इट्स क्वाइट ईजी टू कैरी. इट्स वेरी पतला. So you can do that. I'm not too sure इस पे notes क्या है, क्योंकि लिखा ही नहीं है इस पे. So well, that's that. Now let me see. Now then I have another perfume. This is एक Instagram page है जो high end brand perfumes का dupes, scent का dupes बनाता है. And they claim कि it's quite real. So I've tested that. उनका एक introductory offer चल रहा था, like you can buy 2 in 1,000 or something like that. So that's when I bought this. And there's another one. The page would be Perfume Wala, and they say it's Rose de Ventus. Now, I don't know how it smells. Oh no. I mean, I hope this doesn't trigger my sinus. It doesn't smell like rose. No. It's a bad in me. Oh god. ये तो मतलब थोड़ा सेटल होने के बाद भी रोज जैसा नहीं लग रहा है. I don't know what it smells like. It smells very medicinal, I think. I don't know what the notes or whatever it is. Definitely not rose, guys. Definitely not rose. So it was a bad purchase, and hence, as you can see, it doesn't smell that good. I haven't used it also. But ये है तो मैंने आपको दिखा दिया है. I might not like it. Some people might like the fragrance. So you do you. Again, there's from the same brand because I bought 2 in some deal. So this is again from the Perfume Wala. This, now it claims this is Gucci Flora का ड्यूप. कितना ड्यूप है we have to find out. So इसका general fragrance कैसा है? Oh my god, I hope Gucci Flora doesn't smell like that. And I'm sure it doesn't. No. It smells very medicinal, guys. इसको मतलब ऐसा लगता है जैसे spirit mixed with alcohol mixed with, I don't know, some weird notes of fragrance. And no. This is such a bad investment of mine. No. Hell no. Now here I have Carlton London का Veronica now. This is a 50 ml perfume and it smells heavenly, guys. ये बहुत subtle perfume है. बहुत subtle perfume. बहुत प्यारा है. चलता भी बहुत है. और you can sale पे you can buy it at a very cheap price. इसके notes exactly क्या है I'm not too sure because I don't have the dabba with me here. बट यू कैन चेक. हाँ, और इसका वो ढक्कन मेरे से खो गया है कहीं, तो मैंने ये पुराने बाथ एंड बॉडी वर्क्स की बॉटल का ढक्कन लगा रखा है जस्ट फॉर द टाइमिंग. एंड एज यू कैन सी मैंने कितना यूज़ कर लिया है. सो इट इज़ रियली रियली गुड गाइस for every day. This is your go-to. And girls, you know, if you're college going, you want to wear a good summery light fragrance which is not which does not come off as too strong when you're passing by. This is the one you need to buy. Veronica by Carlton London. They have great fragrances. Now moving on, there's one perfume. This is a Colorful World, uh, and it says Radiant Star 50 ml. Now this perfume was given to me by my best friend on my birthday. I haven't used it yet because I haven't got a chance to. मैं पुराने वाले पहले ख़त्म करना मांगती थी. This is slightly because like I said, I usually like fruity fragrances. This is not fruity, but this is a very strong, you know, peppery sort of a fragrance, but in a good way. It does smell really, really good. So basically, you can say it is a mix of lavender and pepper, you know, white pepper or black pepper का जो fragrance they mix in perfumes. That is there. It's sort of spicy notes हैं इसके थोड़े, but I think it has a bit of lavender as well. It does not come out as that strong. It is quite long lasting. I've used it once or twice though. But yeah, it's a very good perfume, and I think she bought it from Miniso, and I have used Miniso के perfumes भी, वो भी बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. So again, if you're a college going girl या फिर अगर आपको इतने पैसे नहीं खर्चने डे टू डे डेली बेसिस के perfumes में, तो you can try Miniso as well. They have good perfumes. मैंने personally बहुत use करे हैं Miniso के perfumes. You can yeah, it's very sort of lavenderish and peppery. So this is that. Moving on, before we move on to the high end one, I have Bella Vita again here. This is I don't think you can see it. The light is pleasing on it. This is the Bella Vita vanilla. It's from the gourmet collection. It's a 110 ml bottle, and it smells like vanilla, guys. You will be in a vanilla wonderland. Now, you know, here's what I like. Ye, it's a very good fragrance, and Bella Vita is really up their game with their fragrances. Like Plum and Bella Vita are two brands जिसके fragrances पे I can, you know, put any bet. They really are in their game. ये बहुत प्यारा है, and I usually say मतलब मैं vanilla usually prefer करती हूँ winter times में. I like those warm cozy fragrances, and this will of course make it smell like a, you know, fresh. जो आप बेकरी में घुसते हो तो एक कोजी सी वाइब आती है ना, it will give that. Now secondly, I have the pistachio, same from Bella Vita. I absolutely love this. This is my favorite, and मैंने सोचा था कि जब मेरा वेरोनिका ख़त्म हो जाएगा I'll start using this, but मैंने पहले ही यूज़ कर लिया. मैंने काफ़ी यूज़ कर लिया. बॉटल I think I've almost has reached half because ये थोड़ा हल्का हो गया वेट में as compared to the vanilla one जो कि मैंने इतना यूज़ नहीं करा है. This is the pistachio one as the name suggests. Oh, this is amazing, guys. Oh, this is so good, guys. This is so damn good. I know कि प्लम के पिस्ताशियो वाले परफ्यूम की, ओसो पिस्ताशियो की बहुत तारीफ होती है भाई. This is an underrated product. Please buy it, use it. You will absolutely fall in love with it. And I use it so much and I love it so much. मैंने पूरी सर्दियों में इसको लगाया है. Like in my functions, in my Christmas, like, you know, functions and everything. If I have to go out for Christmas functions, parties, dinners, whatever. Through and through I've used this. और ऑफिस के लिए भी यूज़ करा है मैंने इसको. बहुत ही प्यारा है. It's not a mist, guys. Again, this is a perfume. So अगर आप इसको परफ्यूम की तरह अच्छे से यूज़ करोगे काफ़ी चल भी जाएगा. But oh, it is a must buy. Please do check out their gourmet collection Bella Vita का. You will love it. You will love it. इनका एक फ्रेगरेंस है मैंगो में भी. ऑरेंजिश येलोइश कलर का बॉटल आता है. More orangish, less yellowish though. But I haven't bought that because I'm just judging a book by its cover, thinking that कि वो बहुत ही fruity सा होगा, but I might buy it थोड़ा और समर आ जाने पे. Alright, those were my like normal perfumes. Coming to the high end ones here, I only have 4 high end ones though with me here. Now, first one is the Elizabeth Arden here. This is the Elizabeth Arden green tea scent spray. So this is a green tea perfume from Elizabeth Arden. They also have a white tea in it, and it's a very nice fragrance. I've used it so much, guys. I used to use it so much in the days. It's a very summery fragrance, very light, very soothing to your nostrils. It's not overpowering at all. It's a very sweet and a very nice perfume. And then moving on quickly, I have Estee Lauder here. This is Beautiful by Estee Lauder. This is a very good perfume, and again, I absolutely love it. Oh, you smell so heavenly with this. So there's a small bottle here for Estee Lauder again, so you can buy a big one as well. Estee Lauder के सारे products अच्छे होते हैं. I mean, I've used a foundation as well. It is very good, and the fragrances, they know their game in the fragrance world as well. It's a very good. Inke notes, I mean, of course, this is white tea, but for this one, I don't know the notes. I think it's jasmine or something. But ये जो दोनों perfumes हैं, actually, this was shared between my grandmother and I. Took this. I mostly used it, but this was specifically my grandmother's. So I haven't used it because I want to keep it. As to when I remember, I can always smell this. And for special occasions, I do use it, but I want to keep it intact. And it's been a while. As you can see, the bottles are sort of, it's been a while they're not there. But yeah, it's a good memories. So that's that. Now coming to my own perfumes. I have 2 of them. I don't invest in luxury perfumes as such. Now, one is this one here. This is more of a deodorant sort of a thing. Yeah, this is the Burberry Weekend, the classic Burberry Weekend. Smells amazing. मजा आ गया. So ये है deodorant Burberry Weekend का. Again, I use my high-end products when I'm going to a special occasion or on a festival or on a party is when I use these. तभी वो इतने चल भी जाते हैं मेरे regular basis के लिए. I use my mists and all. So yeah, this is this Burberry का Weekend. Now actually these are gifts, so I did not buy them actually myself. So that's another thing. And इस पे लिखा नहीं है इसका वो. I can't see though. It's I believe in French or Arabic or whatever. I can't read. Not English. So moving on to the last one, guys. It will be worth the wait. And this is my most cherished one. This is J'adore by Dior. It's a perfume. Let's have a look. So yeah, that's how the packaging. It's a classic Dior packaging. इसके ऊपर का पता नहीं कहाँ गिर गया है, but please don't mind. So yeah, but this is the J'adore by Dior. ये actually जब मैंने खरीदा, जब मुझे मिला था तब इसका MRP आदि मुझे 6-7 साल पहले मिला था. एटलीस्ट no sorry 5-6 साल पहले मिला था. तो तब इसका MRP इतनी क्वांटिटी में it was 11-12,000 and this is 100 ml. या और इसमें बहुत बड़े बड़े साइजेस भी आते हैं, छोटे भी आते हैं. This typically is said to be mist, but you can also use it as a perfume. इसके notes again I'll see अगर डब्बे पे लिखे होंगे तो ठीक है, वरना I won't be able to tell कि क्या notes हैं. I mean of course you can check online. This smells heavenly, guys. मतलब I can't get over it. और ये इतना long lasting है ना. ना लग गया. Okay. Yeah, so this is very long lasting. I use it on my clothes और वो बहुत टाइम तक रहता है, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम तक रहता है. और अगेन इट्स बीन years जब से मेरे पास है, एंड आई यूज्ड इट सो मच, और अभी भी इतना बचा है, सो मैं इसको अगेन आई यूज दिस ऑन ओकेजन्स, birthday parties, festival and all that sorts, not on a daily basis. So yeah, but I think अभी मुझे तो कर लेना चाहिए, it's been a while. And yeah, those were let me check इस पे कुछ लिखा हो तो. Okay, yeah, it says airy and sensual, this pressure mist envelops the body in a delicate refreshing cloud of scent, maintains moisturization, okay, for instantly soft skin. A new irresistible way to enhance your skin and bathe it in the scent of J'adore. Okay, I hear you. But yeah, it doesn't say what kind of notes inka again. So those two perfumes that I showed you, Elizabeth Arden and Estee Lauder, wo meri dadi ke the again, and these two are mine though, but then again my family lives abroad. So मैंने ये खरीदे नहीं है, मुझे गिफ्ट्स पे मिले हैं, like you know, you get it on Christmas, get it on Easter's, like so I haven't personally bought these. What I've bought personally are the body mists, are the non-high-end, I would say, perfumes, the drugstore ones, or little on like Bella Vita and all that I've bought myself. But yes, I've not personally bought any high-end perfume. But yeah, that was my collection of perfumes and body mist, which I use on a day-to-day basis and on a festive occasion, or on, you know, like so. But yes, please do let me know if there is any particular perfume आपको कौन सा अच्छा लगा इसमें से. प्लीज़ डू लेट मी नो, एंड let me know if there is any other collection of things that you want me to show, lipsticks or makeup or you know, something like that. Please do leave it in the comment section. I will also be coming up with more quick and easy recipes as well. Once you know, I'm in a stable job, I'll of course start shooting haul videos as well. My favorite again from this, apart from the high-end ones मेरे सारे favorite है, of course, goes without saying. But मेरा जो personal favorite है इसमें से, that is like जो मुझे बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, जो मैं recommend करूँगी personally कि आपको बिल्कुल ही लेना चाहिए, that will be Champagne Toasts from the Bath and Body Works. Champagne Toast, हनी ऊद बेला वीटा का, ये तो अभी मेरे ख्याल उनके पास आ भी नहीं रहा है, मोस्टली आउट ऑफ स्टॉक ही होता है हर जगह. बट इफ यू ग्रैब योर हैंड्स ऑन दिस, प्लीज डू बाय Bella Vita Pistachio. It is a must buy. And I'm looking and I'm wanting to buy Plum Kabi, also pistachio. So yeah, these are the ones I really really like, and I really use it on a day-to-day basis. If you want me to make another video like this, like I said, please do let me know. And thank you so much guys for watching this one. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, please let me know if there is anything that you want anything else that you want me to do. But yeah, without being further awkward, I'll close the video. Thank you so much for watching and your time here. Please do like, share and subscribe my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.